Hey folks, Yubi here at St.Albert Dodge. Thanks for sticking around, checking out the exterior walk around of this 2017 Grand Jeep Cherokee Overland. Previous owner took good pride in it. This thing also comes with a 3M over the hood, all the way down around here. Love the chrome accents, the headlights, the grille, adaptive cruise control. Got some sensors here. We have recovery hooks. That's right, recovery hooks here in Chrysler. This thing comes very slick, nice rubber. Love the chrome accents on the back. Proximity key entry. This thing also comes with a roof rack. Come on back. This thing's just, it's a 2017, folks. It's beautiful. This thing also comes with the tow prep package. Very well. Good and go. Good to go, ready to tow, right? Got some backup sensors. Love the accents. Let's check out the inside. Hey folks, sorry about that. Just enjoying the beautiful sound system in this vehicle, Armor Garden. This 2017 Grand Jeep Cherokee Overland comes very well equipped. Turn the radio down. We go over on our left, we got our power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Down here we get our memory seat for passengers 1 and 2. This thing comes with a push button telescopic steering. All kind of back, we got our toggle switches, toggles, our shifters, toggles for our radio stations and our volume. On our left, we got our Bluetooth capability and our cluster display. On our right, we have our cruise control and our adaptive cruise control. Like I said, love the adaptive cruise control. Very safe feature. This thing comes with a park assist, lane assist, eco, sport mode, heated seats, ventilated seats. We got an air rise suspension. Also, we got the, right now we're in auto, but you put this thing in sand or snow or mud, it just goes unbelievable. Interior's well equipped, well maintained, but liggy. That's right, folks. We got a panoramic sunroof. We're not seeing a whole lot of these days in the newer ones, but we got one right here. So if you like what you see, 2017 Grand Jeep Cherokee Overland, price right up front. St.Albert Dodge. Come see me at Yubi 780-220-3822. Have a Jeep and good day.